I'm about to show you the law of visualization for rebuilding your body from the inside out. If you've tried affirmations and got nowhere, stay with me. I'm stacking 3 science-backed cues that flip your healing switch on. First, a promise. In the next 180 seconds, you'll learn the core method, my daily 7-minute loop. That loop has helped thousands feel calmer, stronger, more energized. Save this video. You'll use it on repeat. Quick truth. Your brain doesn't perfectly distinguish imagine from lived experience. That's neuroplasticity. Visualize with feeling. You teach your nervous system a new baseline. When it settles, the body can repair. Here's the core method. C-O-R-E. C-O-R-E-C. Clear the slate. Sit tall. Relax your jaw. Exhale slowly to a count of 8. Twice. This turns down stress chemistry. O. Open the scene. Picture a soft light scanning you from the crown of your head to the soles of your feet. As it passes, name each area. Relaxed jaw, open chest, warm hands. Warmth and openness tell your brain, we are safe. Safety invites repair. R. Recode the signal. Choose one body focus today. Joints, gut, skin, heart, energy. Now see tiny crews restoring that system. Collagen weaving, inflammation cooling, cells communicating clearly. Add sound, a gentle hum as repairs lock in. Add feeling, ease spreading like sunrise. E. Embody the end. Stand or sit as the after you. Shoulders open, breath deep, eyes steady. Ask, if it were already done, how would I breathe, move, and choose? Hold that state for 60 seconds. That's the 7-minute loop. 1 minute clear, 2 minutes open, 3 minutes recode, 1 minute embody. Do it daily, same time. The body loves rhythm. Tomorrow. Part 2. Micro habits that glue this in. Think brushing your teeth for your cells. And Part 3. The night repair track that primes recovery while you sleep. If this clicked, double tap the like so it saves to your history. Subscribe and turn on the bell. Series. Self-healing breath, pain dial down, the 30-day reboot calendar. Miss 1 and you'll feel the gap. Before you go, 20-second teaser. Inhale 4, hold 2, exhale 8. Visualize the warm scan melting tension from your neck to your belly. Whisper, repair is active. Feel that? That's your switch.